Hi kids, it's Mr. K here with another science experiment. In front of me I have some candles burning inside of a cardboard box, which is a very bad idea. You need to be very careful if you do this experiment. I'm prepared to extinguish the candles and I have a fire extinguisher on hand, so I'm pretty safe doing this, but it's usually not a good idea to mix fire with cardboard. So I have candles as a light source, and inside this box I drilled a little hole, and you can see where the hole is in the box. It's kind of down toward the bottom. So on the other side of the box I have a screen, and let me turn on some light here so you can see. Here's the hole on the outside of the box. If you line it up and you come straight across, boom, I put a piece of glow-in-the-dark tape right there. So you might think the light will come out of the hole and travel straight across and hit the tape, but it doesn't. Light travels in a straight line. So think about what the light is going to do. It's going to hit the paper higher up. All right, because from higher up to the hole, through the box, down to the candle is a straight line. Okay, so having a hard time keeping these candles lit. And with only one candle, it's just not bright enough. What kind of cheap candles are these? Mr. K needs a bigger budget. Okay, let me dump some of the wax out of that one, and maybe I can get it to light up. That's why I'm doing this on top of a metal plate. So I don't mess up and burn myself. Oh well, two ought to work. Okay, let's turn the light off and see what happens here. Okay, our prediction is that if it went straight across, it would hit the tape right there. But check it out. There's your glow-in-the-dark tape, but up the hill from it, there's your flickery little piece of light, right? That's your beam of light coming through. And if I move back a little bit, you can see how very different it is. There's the tape, and maybe if I turn one light on, you can tell. No, not that one. Let me turn another one on across the room. That's better. Yeah, you can see if it came straight across out of the hole, well, it would just jump straight ahead. But it doesn't. It angles up out of the hole and hits the paper higher up. Okay, but if you stand back and you look at it this way, you can kind of see that the light goes from the candle through the hole straight up in a straight line. All right, if it hit the piece of tape down here, then it would be going from to the hole and then bending, right? Do you see that bend? It would be going, and light doesn't travel in a bendy line. It travels in a straight line. So the light travels from the candle straight up to the hole in the box and continues straight on to the higher spot on the paper, right there. There you go. Light traveling in a straight line.